Hey everyone, I'm Deborah. I do clothing unboxings, and today I have my second Natalie Attired box. I loved my first box that I got about a month ago. I got a really unique top in it and some really nice black jeans. So I ordered another box. Comes wrapped really pretty. Let's see what the bundle looks like. Oh, that looks like some pretty colors. Okay. So my stylist is Renee again. It just says, "Hi Deborah, I hope you love your collection. I look forward to your feedback." I got the invoice. Last time they were having a special where you only had to buy, I think, 3 items to get a discount. But this time, that's not going on anymore, so you have to keep all 5 to get 20% off. So let's see. First we have a top. It's a really pretty floral by Renee C. I like it. Has elastic around the sleeves, 3/4 length. That's a really pretty pattern. And now another floral. Oh, that is so cute. By Chris and Carol. I like that. Oh, it has, look, little elbow patches. That is cute. Okay. And this is wrapped together. Oh, that's different. So it's a cardigan. And the back is like a striped poplin. It's different. That's what I really liked about my first box. I got a really unique top in that box. And this is cute, like a mauve. It's got a zipper down the back. And then it's just kind of, I guess that's kind of like a cap sleeve. Okay, and a very light wash pair of jeans. Oh, by Liverpool. The ankle skinny. They're just, there's no distressing. They're very light blue. Okay, I'll try it all on. Okay, I have the first top and the jeans. This is by Renee C. It's the floral front tie top, size small, $45. The jeans are by Liverpool, the penny skinny ankle pant, size 27. They're $96. That's a lot. The top is really pretty. I don't think I really need it. It's kind of dressy. I do like it. Fits nice. The flowers are really pretty. It has this little tie. So it'd be good for spring. The jeans are, I don't know how flattering they are with that really light color. They're a little bit short. I think I'd like them to be about 1 inch longer. They are very snug, but they're stretchy and really comfortable, but I don't think I'll get them for $96. They'd have to be a little cheaper. If I kept everything and got 20% off, maybe. So we'll see. Okay, the next top, part of the name is cut off, but I think it was called Chris and Carol. It's the 3/4 sleeve floral baseball top for $39 in a size small. It is a little bit fitted. I don't know if it looks too tight. It's a really cute top. I love the contrast of the sleeves. It's got a little bit of ribbing and the cute little elbow patches. Cute floral. So yeah, that's really cute and not a bad price. And I did pay, I think, a $20 styling fee, so if I keep something, the styling fee will apply towards whatever I purchase. Okay, the next two are the Cardigan with Stripe by Skies Are Blue, size small, it's $54. And this pink top is by IJoah, J-O-A-H. Oh, it says it's taupe. Looks kind of pink to me. Size small, it's the short sleeve back zipper top for $39. So it's very unique. I think the cardigan is very cute with this different material in the back. I don't know how flattering that is. It kind of looks big. I like the 3/4 sleeves. It's got the roll tab. I just don't know if I would wear this very much. I mean, I think I would just reach for my regular gray cardigans more. And the tee, it's really cute, just like a basic tee I could wear under cardigans or I could wear in the summer. The only thing I don't like about it is the back is so long. But I like the scoop neck. The sleeves are good. I guess it's kind of like a dolman style. And then there is the zipper in the back. This color does look good with the light jeans. So that's cute. Okay, let's do a recap. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I thought this was really cute. I just didn't like how long it was in the back. But it's a nice color, a nice basic with a cute little detail in the back, so maybe. That is $39. The jeans, they're so comfortable. I hated to take them off. They got more comfortable the longer I had them on. Just really stretchy, perfect fit, but they're $96. And I think I would prefer a little bit darker wash. So probably a no. This is pretty. I think it's, let's see, $45 by Renee C. But I don't think I need this. I don't love it enough to purchase it. I've gotten a lot of boxes lately, so I really can only keep things that I really love. So this, I do like this. It's really cute, and it is $39. And then the cardigan, it's $54. Thought it was cute, but I just don't think I would wear it very much. Not worth the $54. Okay, the total for the whole box is $273, but if you keep all 5, you get 20% off. So then my total would be, I think this is also after the $20 styling fee is deducted, the total would be $202.40. So not bad for all 5 items, including those nice jeans. So I'll probably keep one of these tops, maybe both of them. I have 3 days to decide, so I'll have to think about it. And I'd love to hear your opinions in the comments below. If you want to try Natalie Attired, I'll have a link in the description below, and I'll also list out all the items that I got with the prices and the brands. Okay, that's it for my second Natalie Attired box. I think I'll probably get another one. That was fun. I really appreciate you watching today. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe below.